A lean engine is a ticking time bomb that can lead to a melted piston or a cracked cylinder head if you keep ignoring that annoying check engine light on your dashboard. When your car throws this code, it means cylinder number 4 is starving for fuel, and the computer has reached its absolute maximum limit trying to add more gas to compensate for the problem. You will probably hear the engine misfiring or feel it shaking like crazy when you are sitting at a stoplight, and it might even take several tries to get the engine to stay running when you first start it up. This lean condition is usually caused by a sneaky vacuum leak, a clogged fuel injector, or a fuel pump that is starting to give up and cannot provide enough pressure to the rail. You should start your diagnosis by listening for a distinct hissing sound around the intake manifold area, which is a dead giveaway for a cracked vacuum line or a failing intake gasket. Check the area around the number 4 fuel injector very closely to see if there is any wetness or signs of a fuel leak. Using a fuel pressure gauge is the best way to verify if your fuel pump is actually doing its job and meeting the manufacturer's requirements. If the pressure is below the minimum specification, you should check your fuel filter and the pump relay before assuming the pump itself is dead. You can use a digital volt-ohm meter to make sure the injector is receiving the proper battery voltage and the rhythmic ground pulse from the powertrain control module. Sometimes a fuse might look perfectly fine but will fail when it is under a real electrical load, so be sure to test them while the circuit is active. If the electrical side of things looks good but that cylinder is still running lean, that specific injector is likely clogged with debris or has failed internally and needs to be replaced. Do not ignore this code because a lean air and fuel mixture runs extremely hot and can cause catastrophic engine failure in a very short amount of time. If you cannot find a vacuum leak on your own, or if the fuel pressure readings are confusing, do not hesitate to take your car to a trusted shop before a small repair turns into a total engine replacement.